Here's how to duet on TikTok. Open TikTok and find the video you want to duet with. At the bottom of the sidebar menu on the right, tap the sharing button. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right. At the bottom of the Share To menu that pops up, tap Duet. Tap the red button at the bottom of the screen to start recording your video. Yours will appear on the left and the other person's will appear on the right. When you're done, tap the check mark to the right of the recording symbol. Add any text, stickers, or effects you might want. Write up a caption and post.
My mom's always talking to me, telling me like all her secrets. She has no idea I actually understand her. Because if she did, I would have to listen to her. No way.